Ever wondered what makes network marketing the go-to strategy for many successful entrepreneurs? It all boils down to three core components: the products, the remuneration plan, and the company. First, let's delve into the world of products. In the realm of network marketing, products are the lifeblood that fuels the business. They are the tangible goods or services that you, as a network marketer, promote and sell. These products can range from health supplements to beauty products to digital services and beyond. The key is in choosing products that resonate with you and that you believe in. Why? Because genuine enthusiasm is contagious and it's easier to sell a product that you're passionate about. Next on the list is the remuneration plan, also known as the compensation plan. This is the mechanism that determines how you get paid. It's the blueprint that outlines the commission you earn from selling products and recruiting new members to your network. Some companies offer a binary plan, others a unilevel plan, and some a matrix plan. Each has its own set of rules and rewards. The beauty of these plans is they offer the potential for exponential growth. Sell more, recruit more, earn more. Finally, there's the company. The company is the backbone of your network marketing journey. The company provides the products you sell, the remuneration plan you follow, and the support and training you need to succeed. The right company fosters a culture of growth and collaboration, offering resources and guidance to help you navigate your network marketing journey. But what sets network marketing apart from other business models? It offers ownership, versatility, flexibility, and unlimited potential. You can work full-time or part-time from anywhere with low overhead costs. It's a platform for personal growth and fulfillment. It's about building relationships, creating wants, selling and closing, all while servicing your competitive edge. At Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates, we understand that network marketing can seem daunting. That's why we've developed a system to make it easy for you. We provide you with a set of tools and resources to help you succeed, all free of charge. So why not take the leap? Join Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates today. Embrace the opportunity to be your own boss, to create your own success story. Remember, in network marketing, the sky's the limit. So reach for it. Your journey to success starts here with Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates.